Yogesh ji, namaste. Where do you stand on these bills and this entire furor? Do you believe that these, these bills deserve the kind of behavior that we've seen from the opposition in the Rajya Sabha?
So, this is a very welcome move by the government. Initially, there was a bit of confusion, and Honorable Prime Minister have cleared that confusion that MSP is going to be there, and also the existing APMC market companies are going to be there. So, here is the question to oppose. There is no point in opposing this bill, and I think all the parties, all the people, all the farmers, everyone should welcome this move, because this gives liberation to farmer to sell his produce, and this has been the demand of the farmers for several decades. Because farmers has been a clutches of this APMC. There was no alternative, no second mechanism to sell his produce. If you see the case of in Maharashtra, if you go to sell your produce in Mumbai, you have to go through APMC. Even traders, anyone, now it's open. It's very welcome move. We have been a critic of this government policy on agriculture, but this is a very welcome move, and I definitely appreciate this move. This is a very bold decision. And not only this, so other second bill which gives freedom to the farmer to give his land on the rent. That is also excellent move. Because right now farming is not viable, and if you got an alternative option, if some other corporate, if someone is going to invest his funds, his technology, his mechanization in farming, and he is going for a large scale farming, you are going to fetch a rent. What is the issue then? It's excellent. We should welcome it, and then how long we should go for a
let me ask you this. Are there any valid concerns that have been raised by the opposition? Have you studied the three bills? And once you study the three bills...
Now, I've gone through the bills and the concerns of the opposition. I am also lawyer, practicing lawyer in High Court. There was a very big confusion, and which I came through social media and all the farmer leaders claiming that there is no redressal mechanism and the farmers can't approach the court. I want to clarify that that is not the way. ऐसा नहीं है. If you see there are several acts, arbitration, SARFAESI, consumer forum, and for that there are the specialist tribunals established, because you know the general courts are flooded with a lot of litigations, and these are the specialized alternative mechanism for redressal. In this act, still there are some certain small lacunas, like there is no clarity how the process will go, but they have made it very abundantly clear that there will be farmers can approach SDM. If he is not satisfied, he can go to appellate authority, or he can go up to secretary level to claim his appeal rights. So there is a mechanism, and there is no such thing that
this is something which the government is saying is the biggest pro-farmer move, where they are saying it will be the SDM, the local district magistrate, who will resolve a dispute in the case of contract farming, so that the corporate lobby or corporates cannot outmuscle and, in legal innuendo, try and trap the farmer on ground. That is something which the government has been saying very strongly. Yogesh ji, please stay with me. I've got Payal Mehta with...
What would you like to say? Because on ground, our reporters are saying a lot of the farmers are welcoming this. Some of them are not informed. And a lot of places where we see the protests, it's clearly led by certain factions. You see a lot of Congress flags, and we also see a lot of left flags. But on ground, farmers, haven't they been asking for a freer market? Haven't they been asking for more options?
Definitely, farmers, it has been a very old demand of the farmers that they should be liberalized to sell their produce, and this demand has been accepted. So we have to welcome this. Even myself is also associated with farmers movement. And this was a very old demand. We had been strongly criticizing this government for regularization and all this APMC. Now they have taken very welcome steps. So all has to accept it and welcome it. Rather than accusing, if there are small lacunas, we have to discuss and discuss on that point. For that, we have to go through bill. Instead of going through bill and just spreading the confusion on farmers that there will be, the biggest confusion is there will be no MSP. But right now, Honorable Prime Minister has very abundantly made it clear that MSP is going to be there. So there is no question of opposing this bill. It's a very welcome move that the farmer will be able to sell his produce. 8 to 10% is a brokerage charge to farmers, and there was no alternative option. Then if farmers is going to have a second option to sell his produce, why not? He will welcome it definitely. Maybe farmer of any associate with any political party or any ideology, but for him it is a very excellent decision that he can sell his produce at his own bargain. He can bargain at his own, and there is MSP also. So now one more thing I like to add up. This is one step further ahead. agriculture sector should be given a status of an industry. Government can go for a starting income taxing the farmer, because farming is not profit. There are a lot of people, politicians, who claim themselves as a farmers, and they just they are siphoning money, black money to show income as the farming income. So if we can go through that and give the farmer the status of industry, give them subsidies, give them infrastructure, water, road, adequate warehouses, definitely this sector will do.
Fair point.